time now is 1:45. The hour hand, that is the light green one, has crossed 1 but not reached 2 yet. The minute hand is on 9, that is 1:45. When the minute hand crosses over 12 in clockwise direction, it becomes the next hour. So this will be 2:15. When the minute hand crosses 12 in anti-clockwise direction, it becomes the previous hour. So 2:15 became 1:45. It's very simple. When it crosses anti-clockwise direction, it becomes the previous hour. When it crosses 12 in clockwise direction, it becomes the next hour. When the minute hand crosses 12 in anti-clockwise direction, it becomes the previous hour, 1:45. And when it crosses 12 in the clockwise direction, it becomes the next hour, that is 2:15. Always see whether the hour hand has crossed a particular number. So right now it is 2 o'clock. See how the hour hand moves. 2:05, 2:10, 2:15, 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50. Now at this point, the hour hand seems to be pointing at 3, but see, it has not reached or crossed 3. So it is still 2:50. Now see carefully. 2:55. It looks at 3, but if it was 3:55, it would have been pointing more towards 4 o'clock. So this is 2:55. It is 3 o'clock. It is exactly pointing at 3. Okay? 15 minutes before that, that is 2:45, 3, 3:15 or 3:15. See the hour hand moving. 3, see the green hour hand. 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, 3:30. So the hour hand of 3 is pointing between 3 and 4. It is still 3 o'clock. We will read it as 3:30.